This time we're going to be checking the gap of the stock spark plugs. So first step is going to be remove the cover here carefully. Pop that off. Set it to the side. There's our spark plug, so we're probably need like a 10 mil to get that off. Alright, found the 10 mil. I'm going to start taking these off. Alright, bolt out. Put that there. We'll disconnect our plug. Pull it back. Push it down. That one set to the side. Wiggle the coil out. No oil on that, which is good. Shouldn't be. Alright, so get our spark plug out. Alright, got my spark plug socket, some extensions. Put that down in there. We'll get this out. Use a crusty piece of heater core hose to grab the spark plug out. We'll take a look at it. It looks pretty good, pretty fresh. I mean, it should be. It's a new engine. No crazy buildup or anything on it. So I got my feeler gauge out here, and it looks like this spark plug, it's hard to do one-handed, is coming in right at in between 0.3 and 0.32, so it's probably around 0.3, 0.31. So we're gonna go ahead and get this spark plug into the tool here. We'll gap it down. Okay, spark plug in the tool, and we're gonna tighten it down a little bit, incremental, and keep checking it. Went back and reviewed the documents, and they say to go for something in between 0.022 and 0.026. So I'm gonna go for 0.024 on my plugs, and we'll make sure that fits there. Okay. Perfect fit in there. So that's spark plug 1 done. I'm gonna use my old heater core pipe and stick it back in and get it started. Get that on our junky old pipe. Spin that around a couple times until it comes off easy. Get our socket back on there. And I'm going to look up the torque spec real quick to make sure we get it right. Alright, internet says 20 to 22 foot-pounds, so we get that on our torque wrench, and let's get it right there. Alright, cylinder 1 done. We'll put our coil back on. Wiggle that on nice and good. Grab our bolt. Get that started. Got our coil back on there. Get our plug back in. Make sure it's locked. Move on to cylinder number 2, and I'll get the rest of these done, and I'll get back. The spark plug number 2 is coming in from factory at 0.031 as well. We'll get that gap down to 0.024. Cylinder 3 spark plug out, and it is coming in much lower than the other ones at 0.25 and 25 thousandths. Cylinder number 4 out, and it is coming in from factory at 0.026 or 27, 26 or 27 thousandths. So we'll get that gap down to 24 thousandths and put back in the engine. Got all the factory plugs gapped down to 24 thousandths. We'll slap our engine cover back on, and we should be ready to run map 2. 93 plus. There we go. That one on. One more in the back. Back together.